Alright, we're going to take a few minutes and work on our wall climb and our wall climb handle right here. In order to get started, we're going to first start on this piece right here. You can see there's a whole bunch of holes in it, so just take note of that. We're going to start just like everything as a new part. Create a 2D sketch, and this is basically just a couple fancy rectangles. So click rectangle, and the dimensions are, let's see, 72 inches wide, tab, and it is 123 inches long. Zoom on out, and that looks pretty good. Now there's also a cutout right on the top. So what we're going to do is put in another rectangle, and that rectangle is 36 inches wide, and it is 27 inches deep right there. Now this isn't centered up. Using math, 72 minus 36, that means I should have 18 inches on each side. So I'm going to dimension this to 18 inches. And it's right there. Now I'm going to need to delete some of these dimensions because I have to trim it. And by now you should know that any dimensions around there sort of makes trimming difficult. Okay, so that is trimmed. Zoom out, and I am going to extrude this to 3 inches. Okay, now the next thing that we have to do is put all the holes in the pieces. So we're going to create a 2D sketch, click on the face of the object, and just use our point tool to put a whole bunch of random points in here. The number doesn't matter where they are. It's a wall climb. If you've ever seen one of these at Dick's Sporting Goods or any place like that that actually allows people to climb on walls, they're just random holes. So I've got a whole bunch of points in there now. Click Finish the Sketch. Click on my hole tool. And these are 0.25 deep, so 0.25 right there. Make sure you've got distance chosen right here. And they are 1.75 in diameter. Click OK, and we've got all of our holes put in there. I'm going to save this as a wood color, so let's say cork right there, and this piece gets saved as wall climb. And save. Okay, so we've got that piece done. Now we actually have to work on this handle, and it is an extremely easy part. It's just two circles that are extruded out. So what we've got is just like everything else. Create a new part, 2D sketch, create a circle, start on the origin. The outside circle is 3 inches in diameter. Finish the sketch, extrude it out to 1 inch, then create a 2D sketch on the face, another circle, and this one is 1.75. Finish the sketch, extrude that out to 1 inch, and the piece is done. I'm going to change this to some sort of metallic color right there. And this one gets saved as wall handle. Okay, so we've got our two parts made now with our wall handle and our wall climb. So this is kind of a tough video, so I want you to stop it, rewind, and replay as many times as you need until you get these parts done.